Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the mobile data network speeds in your iPhone's lock screen. So I'll show you how you can do that. The trick is very easy. So you can get the mobile data networks usage in your lock screen and in the home screen widgets. So how you can do that? The trick is so easy. First of all, jump to the App Store and just download an application. You have to download the app CPUX. So this app is pretty small, so just download this app. The icon is green in color. The size is less than 20 MBs. Just open this application and you can find each and every info about the iPhone. This is iPhone 16 with 8 gigs of RAM, displays XDR OLED 6.1 inches, and the camera is 48 plus 12 megapixel setup. Network connectivities, it's connected with Bell network. My battery health, right now it's not showing, but it's showing my battery capacity right now. What is the percentage? It's operating system and the storage. You can also find the traffic statistics and compass, sensor, speed test, and floating bubble or whatever things. So in order to get the widgets, you just have to long press on the lock screen, hit on customize, and then I'm gonna remove all these widgets, and then you will find this empty add widget option here. So here click on this one, and then you're gonna find this application CPUX and choose your widgets, whatever you're gonna select. So this is the mobile data usage and this is the Wi-Fi usage, and else you can find in your applications. And yeah, I got it, and I'll hit on done, and that's it. Now anytime, every time I'm on my lock screen, I'm gonna see my usage, and that's it. Voila, we got it. So if you want to drag it down, like drag it to the bottom, you can, and hooray, we got it. So this was the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned guys. Thank you so much.